Changzhou Yuchai is a small to medium-sized manufacturer of pile-driving machinery products. Today, we introduce to you the Yuchai YCR280 rotary drilling rig. The YCR280 rotary drilling rig is energy-saving and environmentally friendly. Utilizing an intelligent power management system to achieve a perfect balance between power output and energy consumption. While providing powerful power, it significantly reduces fuel consumption, embodying the concept of green construction. The YCR280 utilizes a full set of renowned brand hydraulic systems, ensuring high efficiency, energy saving, and stability. In terms of power, the YCR280 delivers greater output torque and stronger penetration into rock. Thanks to technological innovation, the YCR280 achieves intelligent interconnection. With a newly developed WeChat mini program that can monitor the machine's working status and construction progress in real time. This allows service personnel to quickly and accurately provide services for the equipment. Meanwhile, Changzhou Yuchai is steadily advancing the pace of global industrialization, using innovative technology to set a new benchmark for efficient construction.
育柴机器王牌动力。